Want to know how to check for updates in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi AI application on your phone. So this is only for your phone application. So once you have opened it up, on the top left side you should be seeing this hamburger icon right here. So you can just simply select that. So now once after this hamburger icon, you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So on the top you should also be seeing your profile right here with your avatar in it. Just simply select that. And now once you start with it, you can just simply scroll down a little bit. And as you do it, here on the bottom you should be seeing check for updates. So you can just simply select it. So once you've figured that, it should automatically scan up for updates, and if there is any, it should just simply update. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.